Hi guys, so yesterday I printed this part. This is a structure of carbon nanotube, and this didn't print well actually. It looks better from far, but if you see closely, there are some issues. I actually uploaded clear picture and clear video of it in my previous video. So anyways, I thought the issue was speed. Then later on I printed this whole part with a normal speed, but still I got the similar problems at some places. You can see here. So anyways, my friend says it's retraction problem, so I need to do some retraction test and check it out. We'll do that later, but for now I wanted to show you guys why I was so interested to print this part. And this is a structure of a carbon nanotube, and I did not test it yet, but it is able to do many cool things. I hope it can do, because it's not fully stable yet. It's broken from some places. Anyways, let's try it out. Alright, so I have this part here. Let's start with something lighter. Okay, now that's not the cracking sound, it's the sound of this box. What else can we put? Actually, yeah, let's try something heavier. I don't know if it can hold this thing. This is pretty heavy. It should be able to, but let's see. Wow. Okay. Wow, this is pretty cool. Okay, let's try something else. What can we do? I'll do this. Okay, that's cool. Now if you can add something above. Okay, so I got something really epic. Here's where I'm gonna try some weights on it. Alright. This each is 2.5 kg. So I'm just going to stack them up. Let's check first. It looks tilted. No. Wait, that's 2.5. No, that's 2.5. That's 5. I'm just going to do until it breaks. But yeah, keep in mind that this is not fully printed properly. I think the infill was 5%. Also, there are some parts broken in the middle. So yeah, still it's able to carry this much load. That's impressive. Okay. Wow, that's 10 kg. this is pretty cool. Okay guys, I got some moments and I thought this view would be better. I cannot find my tripod, so I adjusted my camera somehow. So let's continue the test. So this is total 10 kg and this has been there for some time. This is 1.25 and these three are 0.5. Alright, so let's stack them and see how much it can take. Wow. So the maximum weight it could carry was, if I'm correct, it's 12.50 kg. So that's really nice. That's really cool, and I'm actually impressed. So in future, I'll try to make a big one and let's test that out. And I'll try to make it better than this. Okay, I'll show you guys how it looks right now. It's shattered. Yeah, so this is the remaining. Wow, some pieces are still stiff, but yeah, you can see like 1, 2, 3 of them are actually perfect. The rest of them are broken. So yeah, this is why I was really interested to print this, and I hope you liked it. This test was better than I expected actually. So yeah, see you guys soon. Take care.